In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Frappe in Roblox. So this is how you're going to get a job there, and yeah, how you can start earning Robux. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to want to type in this, apply for a job, in the search bar, and you're going to go to this game here. Now there's the other one you can go for, but you can say it does not have, we don't have the experience for this. So we're going to have to go to the training center first, which we also do not have the experience for. So in order to do that, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to Google or Chrome or something like that. We need to go join this here, so this group here. The way you can do this is you just type it in at the top here. Oops, I spelled it wrong. And it will be, well, actually what you can do is go to the games and experiences. And you can go onto this one here, and the link should be in the description here. So you can click on that, and then you can actually join the group here like this. And cool, we have successfully joined. So here's a little notification. Trainings have now concluded. Congratulations those who passed. If you missed the last session or failed, you can check the upcoming sessions here. So you can check here for the sessions of training. So we have all these different times here. And then you can apply to attend a session to start your training. So we can do that here. Now in order to train up the ranks, you need to first visit the quiz center. So we can click on this link here. It's open 24/7 and looks like this. We can hit play on this, and we should get permission to this once it's loaded up. Okay, so now we can apply for the job here like this. And it should load in anytime. Oh, so my account's not actually old enough, but you'll be able to go in and you'll be able to get a job there with that and do the training. Now your account has to be older than 2 days old, as you can see, so that means 2 days old into their group. Once you've done that anyway, you can come back into the actual trainings and you can do these at any of the times listed, and you can go ahead and get your job. So that's basically how you would do it. Now if you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.